Hi English 12, welcome to week 6. I want to go over your assignments for the week and tell you what we'll be doing in class, as well as discuss any upcoming lock deadlines and things like that. So just real quickly, class today, Monday, is going to be doing the first assignment for the week. So if you come to class, you'll get credit for the assignment. If you don't come to class, just please do the online assignment, and that is an introduction to modern satire. So in this class, we'll talk about satire, what it is, and how we see it portrayed today. And that is going to lead us into assignments next week about not so modern satire, and we'll talk about Modest Proposal, but that's coming up next week, week 7. So for the rest of week 6, after we do modern satire, you guys are going to be turning to a fictional story called The Rocking Horse Winner. And to lead into this, I have you guys do a discussion. So you're going to watch the TED Talk video first, and then answer some of the prompt questions. What are your beliefs about money and happiness and how they're related? That is Tuesday's assignment. Make sure on Wednesday that you return to the discussion post and respond to a peer with thoughtful, respectful, either questions or comments on how they see the relation between money and happiness, because what your comment to your peers should do is add to the discussion. It should make someone think deeper about it. It should maybe cause others to have more questions. So you want to make sure that it is thought-provoking what you say. So in order to earn full credit, make sure you do that. That's Wednesday, and then Wednesday you'll also want to get started on the story. The reason I give you 3 days for this assignment is because it's a pretty long assignment. You have in there a fictional story called The Rocking Horse Winner. You have in there an article about how psychologists see the relationship between money and happiness, and then you also have an additional TED Talk from a different person's perspective on money and happiness and how they're related. So what I try to have you guys do and how I calendared it out is for you to do one part of that assignment each day for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Story on Wednesday, article on Thursday, TED Talk on Friday, and then your after read questions. Also, in the after read questions, there's a follow-up where you can do a writing prompt, a short essay, and that is worth extra credit. So if you're feeling like, you're kind of on the cusp right now and you want to improve your grade, that is there as an opportunity for you. I want to make sure you guys are aware that next week at the end of week 7, everything from weeks 4, 5, and 6 is locking. So that's all the poetry that we've been working on for the last 2 weeks, as well as this week's assignments. Finally, the other thing that you guys need to make sure you get in before that lock deadline is that William Blake media study where you have to create your own. And again, that's the project where you write the poem. Either it can be your own poem, it can be a William Blake poem, or it can be any poem of your choice. So any other author is fine as well. And you guys are illustrating that poem to try to portray the themes and the mood that that poem is attempting to convey. So if you have any questions on the project, please make sure you come and see me. Any questions on any of these other assignments that are going to be locking? I know some of that poetry is, almost 200 years old, so it might be a little harder to understand. And if you have questions on it, please come in and see me. I'm here every day so that I can help you and get you guys through these assignments. Graduation is just around the corner, so I want to make sure you guys are doing what you need to do to be passing this class. I hope to see you guys around. Bye.